Hello again, and welcome to part 2 of our introductory video series. This video will cover project navigation. Upon sign-in, you will be brought to your project list. This is separated into favorites and all projects. Projects will be added to your favorites automatically when they are created or when you accept a project invite. You can add or remove them from your favorites list by clicking the star next to the project name. When you first create an account, you will be given a trial project called My First Project. This project has limited functionality, but can be upgraded to a full project by entering a credit card number. Additional projects will require a credit card number upon creation. On the left side of your screen is the sidebar. Notifications will bring you to a list of pending project invites. Support will bring you to our collection of self-help articles. And live chat will connect you with a support representative who is available to answer your questions about the site. The live chat service is available Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, excluding major holidays. Once you click into a project, the sidebar will also display any batches that are assigned to you and any individual or publicly available saved searches. A project without any data uploaded will initially bring you to the Get Started page. You can click on the project's name in order to get to the standard view. From the project view, you'll see many tabs, and above that, a navigation bar. This gray navigation bar should be used in place of your browser's forward and backwards buttons so that you don't lose your place. The first tab is the Home tab. On this tab, you will see any assigned batches, and if you are a review manager or an admin, you will also see a progress burndown chart. Next up are the pre- and post-processing tabs, which will show metrics on your raw and processed data. Download a full report for each using the Download Report button in the top right of each respective tab. Continuing on is the Collections tab. This is an important tab because this is where you will add and view all of your data. Click on a collection to view pre- and post-processed information specific to that set, or browse all of the items. You can also select several or all collections, then use the Actions drop-down to open up the tag filter. This will allow you to split your data set into specific views and will be covered more extensively in the tagging section of this tutorial. The next tab is Custodians, which will allow you to filter your view based on who is in control of the data. Your custodian is chosen when you add data from the Collections tab. The Tags tab will show you any user-created tags as well as batch, system, and domain tags which are automatically generated. Clicking on a tag will display all records with it applied. The Reports tab maintains a record of all reports that have been run in the project and allows you to download them again. Running reports will also be covered more thoroughly in a later portion of this tutorial. The last tab of the project is Exports, which is where you will run and download productions. Clicking the Add Export button will open a wizard to walk you through that process. Trial projects will need to be activated before you can run an export. Keep in mind that your view may be slightly different than this video depending on how your project administrator has set up your user role. This concludes part 2 of our introductory video series.